Honestly, this would be my room if I didn't live with a boy.
Ew, I roll over in the morning.
And you see this beautiful face. We want a good sleep in 2024. Good morning, besties. I think I will never look cute in these intros, like never. Today, we are gonna go buy a bed from Ikea. I feel like part of my like glow up series of 2024 is definitely just bettering everything. So in today's video, we're gonna buy a new bed, new pillows, new duvet, new mattress, everything. Because we want a good sleep in 2024. I'm so excited. My sister's gonna come with me and we're gonna go shopping. It's gonna be so fun. So I'm gonna quickly get ready and then we're gonna go to Ikea. We're gonna shop around and see if I like anything. Also, I'm hoping there's a lot of good deals today, but we will see. Oh, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on Instagram to get more content from me. You need to subscribe. So let's start getting ready so we can go shopping. This is what we're wearing. I'm still wearing this festive sweater because like, why not? Then I got these nice Gap jeans. Sorry, my family is so loud. Also, I didn't want to put a lot of makeup on because tonight we're actually going to like this Cinderella play, which is gonna be so fun. I didn't want to do a full beat for that, so I just did my brows and a little bit of mascara just to like liven up my face a little bit. And now we are gonna go bed shopping, so let's go to Ikea. Okay, we're on our way to Ikea. I already vlogged a little bit this morning.
Great, tell the people what we're doing.
Okay, so we're gonna buy a bed today. It kind of takes a while to get through Ikea though.
What's the bedroom vibe? Put it up on the screen.
Okay, sure, I'll put it here. I gotta stop going like this, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Laugh outwards with your neck. With your neck like this.
Yeah. So this is the vibe. I actually don't know the vibe, but I'll put it on the screen because eventually I'll know it. So yeah, we're gonna go to Ikea. Okay, we'll see you guys at Ikea. We're here. Oh, here's the section. Oh my god, I love this one. Look at this, the green velvet.
That is so rich. Would you get that?
Well, it wouldn't look good in my room, but I would totally get that. This was the one I kind of wanted. This is so nice. Do you think people come in here and is like, I just want this. I don't want this because look at these ugly ass yellow
I have
pillows.
this,
Okay.
but it only looks fluffy like this because there's two comforters.
Oh, wait, let me see if it's just
this
one.
one's
Oh,
thin,
yeah. Okay, and this
and
one?
then this one is thick.
Oh, this one's thick. I would get, oh, but you only got that one.
No, I have this bedspread, but I have the thick one.
Oh, okay. I'm so not into the yellow. Like, look how ugly that is. Okay, we'll keep looking. God, this, oh my god, this is like cottage vibes. This is my room. This is it. Oh my god, wait, I kind of, oh, but I don't like this. The thing is,
Picture of this, it's $60. I'll just,
okay,
duvet
wait, what's,
cover and pillowcase is $60 for your your night water.
Oh my god, honestly, this would be my room if I didn't live with a boy. Like, they ruin everything, I'm not gonna lie. We love this. And oh, does it say the duvet or does it just say the cover? Maybe the duvet is the cover.
Cover and pillowcases is $60.
Oh, so it's those pillowcases. Oh, and I love this throw. Oh, actually, I don't like this throw. This is like itchy vibes. Way too dark, but look at this closet.
Oh god.
Yeah, like, did your back not break?
No.
Ow, 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 ow. Oh no, I'm getting off this fucking mattress. I was taking a video,
Look at this.
I
Like, it's
feel
all
like
blocked in. They don't
oh
want
my
people to
God.
steal it, but look at the little organization.
Oh, is this the closet area? Soleil. Oh, do I look preggo or is that just my jeans? Honestly, my biggest fear is probably just me trying to get a mattress and Tom being like, I don't like this. Or that he won't like sleep well in it. And then I have to return it. But we'll see. Oh my god, I love that tub. I feel like honestly Tom won't care, but then it's also like that fear. But I know he always says, oh, I don't care. But that's also what a man says.
Exactly, so they don't care. So if I can
Okay.
get comfortable saying,
We're gonna get whatever we want. Oh my god. There's so many colors. Oh, I kind of like this. Is it on sale? Oh yeah, it is on sale. Did you say 36? Oh. Oh, there's one left. Oh no. Oh.
Is it this? Oh, one
No.
37?
No, 36.
Oh.
It's all out, girl. No. Look, because it's on sale, bro. It's literally on sale. Well, that's fucking depressing. Like, is a full and queen different? Comment down below.
Yeah, actually.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, what about
It's
this
kind of
one?
like a double.
There's a queen, medium firm white.
Oh, okay, this is the one you wanted.
That's the full.
Hybrid mattress.
Yeah.
This
Full.
is firm. Yeah, and it's full. But you wanted the
Medium firm.
So this is medium firm hybrid mattress. To me, I'm like, it's kind of the same. No.
Yeah, why not? Honestly, who cares? Oh shit. Is it heavy?
Yeah. Can you please bring the
Yeah.
thing?
Wait, that's not going in there. I'm gonna have to go grab a big cart.
No, I'll just like balance it on the top.
Trying to hurry up here. Grab this little tiny cart. Yeah, I don't know if this is the vibe. I don't know if this is the vibe, Casey, but my back already hurts. It's probably from that fucking firm mattress. Oh, this lighting is such ass for my face. That's what we're working with. This is the bed frame. This is a mattress. Hi, I'm just letting them know what it's looking like.
Yeah, shite.
Yeah, and the mattress is super old, so I kind of like honestly I like the bed frame. It's just too old. I know that I have all my Christmas stuff still up because when I'm filming this it is close to Christmas, or it's like after Christmas. Today's the 27th of December, so don't come for my decorations. So the things that I got this duvet. This is what it looks like. We didn't want the extra hot one because even though winters are cold, I'd like to have it also in the summer, and summers are gonna be hot. So this is the duvet. Next we have
It's just me.
the mattress cover. My sister said I had to buy this, so we bought it. Also, I've never had a mattress cover, but quiet on the fucking set. Also, I've never had a mattress cover, so I don't even really know if my life will be changed. And then we got sheets.
Duvet cover.
We already did the duvet. Oh, is this the duvet
That's
cover?
your duvet, though, not your sheets.
Oh my god, that's right. That's right. That's right.
Is that what you wanted?
No, that's what I wanted.
Okay,
that's
cool.
right. Sorry, I got confused. This is my duvet cover, and it comes with 2 pillowcases and then the duvet cover. So we got these ones. So this is the gray sheets that we're gonna have, and it comes with 2 pillowcases as well. And then yeah, fitted and what's the other sheet called? Casey? Fitted and flat. Oh yeah, nobody uses the flat, but we will use the fitted.
We're gonna use the flat. We're gonna use it all, bitch.
Who uses the flat sheet?
That's what the coziness of the bed is.
The flat sheet?
With your duvet, it keeps you warm.
I've
And it
never
protects-
seen you wear a flat sheet.
I wear them now. That's right, I'm changed.
And we got the mattress that I'm actually just gonna put it on the screen here because obviously I can't hold it up and show you guys. Okay, so now let's get to putting the bed together. Okay, so this is what the bed looks like. We're gonna just strip it. Yeah, we're gonna do a time lapse to get rid of it. We're gonna put the mattress to the curb, and we're gonna put the sheets and all that in the garbage. And honestly, I wanna put my pillows in the garbage. Did you ask Mom if she had extra pillows?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna do the time lapse of this. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah.
Does it feel good? Oh, really?
No, it does.
Nice cat break.
Garbage too.
This is garbage. You could use this as like an extra
No.
little throw.
No. Put it
To make it look cozy, you know?
No. It's not a throw.
Why do you hate this?
Because the fucking flowers.
That's on your bed.
Shut up. Oh my god, it's kind of coming together. And here we are. Oh my god, I love this blue and this gray. Yeah, we just need to pick out some pillows to put the pillowcases on. Should we lay in it?
I'm gonna
lay
air out
test.
your
Okay, wait, that does feel kind of good. Oh my god, it's like we're laying together in the bed. Ew,
I roll over in the morning.
and you see this beautiful face.
Beautiful mug.
We're kind of live, laugh, loving. I can't wait till my sleep is gonna be so good. I feel like we just cleaned all of the room yesterday, so everything just looks so good, and then it's like, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, the bed frame is kind of killing me, but here's my new bed. Not me looking seductive. It has been a couple weeks since I filmed my new bed. I still want to get a new frame. This is still an old frame, but my goal was to get everything new. I ended up not getting pillows yet, but I need to get new pillows because mine are just like getting old, you know? This is my bed. I love it. I've been sleeping in it for quite a bit and I am obsessed. I will link everything that I got down below from Ikea. Thank God we love the mattress. We've been having nice sleeps, okay? In the winter, this duvet, she holds up. We live, laugh, love for her. Love the print. It doesn't really match my walls, but my sister did tell me that if I'm getting something new, like I'm eventually gonna move out of my parents' house. Hopefully. I don't know about this economy, but that's the plan, to leave eventually. So she said, don't get things that are gonna match your room now because maybe that's not my journey when I move out. But I still love it all. So we got gray sheets, we got this blue duvet, and obviously it matches the pillows. I really like my bed. And honestly, the bed frame is like really nice actually. It's just like super old that like my parents have had this bed. I'm so happy to get rid of the mattress, but we still got the bed frame. But eventually I'm thinking that we're gonna get rid of that and get a whole new bed frame. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope I kind of like gave you a little inspo to spice up your room or maybe get a whole new bed, because this year we are prioritizing sleep, okay? I have really bad anxiety and I just talked to my doctor and he was like, girl, you gotta get that sleep. So I was like, okay, I need a new bed. I'm so happy that I finally got a new bed and that I could have amazing sleep, because in 2024, we're having great sleep. Okay, babes? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and also go follow me on Instagram to get more content from me. Girl, I'm trying to get that Instagram game on. I really grinded in December, but now it's the new year. New year, new me. I have to have good Insta pics. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, again, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. What do I usually say? Do I usually say I'll see you guys in the next video? I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Honestly, I don't remember. That was 2023 me. Now we're 2024 me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, shit. Why do I keep videotaping? I'm trying to take a thumbnail.